moments later.
So guys, the water is boiled already, so I have to put the chicken. This is my own version of fatta. This is Arabic food, but they are cooking in a different way, I think so. And I have my own version also how to cook this chicken fatta. I'm boiling first the water before I'm putting the chicken. So we'll see. This is chicken or cube, guys, to taste. Chicken or cubes. And now I'm going to take soup of the chicken and I will put to the rice. I use basmati rice. Little bit expensive, but it's okay. Nice to cook it and easy.
One eternity later.
This is 7 spices, guys. This is 7 spices. And I'm going to take one. This is like 1 small cup. And I'm going to put in the small bowl. Yes. And I'm gonna add little bit oil of this ghee oil. This is 1 spoon. And I'm going to mix them. And I will pour in the chicken, then I'm going to put to the oven. You know why I do that? Because I don't want the chicken to be dry. This bread, this is a special bread for fatta. So now we put that bread, then we put soup of the chicken, and now we're going to put the rice, and we're gonna put also fried almond on the top. Then it's done. We put little bit extra sauce on the rice. So guys, my chicken fatta is done. You can try this also. This is very easy to do it. This is only chicken, boiled chicken, put in the oven, cook rice, and you have to ground green chili, garlic, and put lemon. Then you have to fry almond. So it's very easy and very tasty. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.